To deposit a paper check at a PNC Bank ATM, you'll need to start by gathering your ATM card and the check, which must be written in your name, as PNC ATMs cannot accept third-party checks. Be sure to sign the check to avoid any delays. Next, find a deposit-enabled ATM nearby, which can be located on the PNC Bank website, though it's worth noting that some states may not have a PNC ATM. Typically, if an ATM accepts cash, it will also accept checks. To begin the deposit process, insert your PNC debit card into the ATM and enter your 4-digit PIN on the right side of the machine, making sure to keep your information private. Once you've entered your PIN, tap the green Enter button or the Continue button on the screen. The ATM will then prompt you to select how you want to receive your receipt, and you can choose to have it printed. After a few seconds, the ATM will offer various options, including cash withdrawal, fast cash deposit, balance inquiry, and others. Select the deposit option, and on the following screen, you'll see two options: check deposit and cash deposit. Keep in mind that funds deposited at the ATM may not be immediately available for withdrawal. Choose the check deposit option, and the ATM will ask you to wait. The ATM will then provide a list of accounts where you can deposit funds, including the option to deposit into a credit card to pay off the balance. Select your primary checking account, and insert the check into the ATM, which can accept up to 30 checks at once. All checks should be signed and made out to the account owner. The ATM will pull in the check, process it, and take a picture of it. You may need to manually enter the amount of the check, as some ATMs cannot automatically recognize handwritten checks. It's essential to type the correct amount to avoid any delays in the deposit process. Once you've entered the amount, tap the Continue button, and you'll see a check deposit summary on the next screen. Confirm the deposit, and then select whether you want the receipt to include a picture of the check. After the ATM processes the transaction, it will print the receipt, and your deposit will be accepted. Take the receipt, and the ATM will ask if you'd like to make another deposit or perform another transaction. If the ATM doesn't accept your check, you can try to deposit it again or use the mobile check deposit feature on the PNC mobile app. As a last resort, you can visit a cashier for assistance or try depositing the check at another bank's ATM.